If you're always rushing and you never seem to have enough time, here are 2 hacks how to use your time more efficiently. So the first thing is make sure that you protect your time, because there's only so much time that you have, and you wouldn't just hand a pile of cash to somebody that you know or somebody you just happen to be acquaintance with, but oftentimes we hand our time to people that we barely know just to help them out, and they seem to just suck up all of our time like a sponge, and then we are left with nothing for the day. The second thing is, most of us, what we do, and this is what I used to do, is just make a to-do list and basically just pile as much as I can on my schedule, and then I try to prioritize that. And it's just a rat race to nowhere, because I could never get anything done, and my to-do list, it was just basically this giant wish list. So instead of that, what I would do is just schedule your priorities, and I would do what's called a must get done list. So just list everything that must get done that day, and it shouldn't be too many items really. It's just all the things you have to get done a day, and I would schedule your priorities. For example, going for a walk, going to a gym, calling some of your small business clients, or working on your promotions at work, or anything that you really just have to get done that day, but it should be your priorities too. And taking care of yourself should be you should be your priority as well. So for example, reading a book, doing something outside like exercise and things like that. So let me know how this worked for you in a comment section, and if you need any help, my link is in my bio.